Hey, this is Rodney Stokes, and today I'm going to teach you how to add multiple streams of income to your current business, whether you personally own a product or not. So stay tuned. So when I first came online, one of the very first programs that I worked with was a program called My Lead System Pro. And what My Lead System Pro taught was a concept called the funded proposal. And the way that works is when you're sending traffic to a capture page, that visitor becomes a lead on your list. You want to try to recoup the ad spend, the amount of money that you spent in order to generate that lead through your follow-up series. And so every single email that you send should be pointing them to a tool, a service, or a product that is going to help them along their journey. For example, if I'm teaching list building, you're going to need an autoresponder, you're going to need a traffic source, you're going to need a capture page, you're going to need web hosting. Every single part of that process you're going to want to earn from along the way. So if you're in the info product business and you're selling how-to courses, you're trying to teach people how to get a result, the first thing that you want to do is you want to map out the path that they need to take in order to get that result. And then next, you want to see how you can monetize every single resource that they're going to need along the way. So me personally, the majority of the tools that I've created since I've been online has been out of necessity. I run into a roadblock, I figure it out, and then I create something to automate that process for me so I don't have to stress about it anymore. And the fact that I know I needed that tool, I know that there's a demand for it in the marketplace. And then I just package it up and I'll put it out, right? But you don't actually have to be a product owner. You don't have to create your own products. That is the beautiful thing about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing just allows you to quickly go sign up, get an affiliate link or a referral link, which means that every single person that you send through your link to that website to purchase, you're going to get credit for, and you're going to earn commission from that. Of course, there's always pros and cons when it comes to affiliate marketing. You have to kind of weigh the risk versus reward for yourself. But I know for a fact that myself and a lot of other marketers enjoy being able to just plug into an affiliate program without creating that product, because you get to avoid all of the headaches like customer support, maintenance, so on and so forth. So the idea is kind of like what Amazon does, which is called vertical integration. So every single step along their process, they own. They needed bigger facilities. They needed bigger warehouses. They went and built them. Amazon specifically made sure that they owned every single step of the way. And then they turned around and they rented out and they lease out space to other people. So they are not only making money from having those things integrated with their business, but also they make money on the back end by providing that service to other companies that are way smaller than them, that need that facility, that need whatever it is that Amazon has put in place. They make money two ways. So that's what I teach people. When you're trying to think of things that you can promote as an affiliate, you have to sit there and think of what you use on a daily basis. It can be an autoresponder, it can be a software, it can be an app, whatever the case may be. I always personally want to make my money back as an affiliate for whatever I'm currently spending money on to utilize inside of my business. So that way it pays for itself in a sense. So like I said before, every single thing that I've created has been out of necessity. I'm an email marketer. I've created email marketing tracking systems. I've created list cleaning and scrubbing systems. I own email verification processes. I try to own every step of the way, but I also don't mind sending folks over to someone else's platform or someone else's tool if it complements the process that I'm teaching. And so that just comes down to mapping out your process again, figuring out each milestone and each tool that's associated with that process or milestone that your users are following. And from there, you can create multiple streams of income that align perfectly with your teaching, and it all falls in place in a beautiful way. So I hope you got value from this video. Start today, look at every single tool that you're using in your business on a daily basis and become an affiliate. And then when you're teaching someone how to do what you do, if you're providing coaching or if you're just creating how-to courses and you're telling them to follow a process, give them your link, and it's just a natural process. They got to sign up anyway. So why not sign up through the link of the person who is giving them all of this great knowledge? So be sure to do that. And also, if you got value from this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below this video. And I'll see you next week.